Like I said, starting from the head back, we're just making a set of exhaust pipes. This is what we've come up with so far. You know, staggered system, but the thing is with this set, he wants the fishtail, the top one, to be longer than the lower pipe, and typically it's the other way around. Usually this guy's lower, this guy's extended further out. So this one's going to be a little bit of the opposite. This is a little bit crude, but right now I'll show you kind of what we're looking at. Is this guy's going to be here, this guy's going to be a little bit up here, and they're going to be staggered from each other just a little bit. There, you can see the sand marks in the body work underneath because the paint's kind of shriveled up, you know, over the years. So once that's all done, you know, paint's going to be hit. Then we're going to hit the custom seat on this thing. So, but that's where we're at, and go back and see what our next one is.